Welcome to all. Today I will solve two questions for this type of question. See, what will happen is a block is placed over another block, but placed on inclined plane. This is important because I have seen this question in some examination. So many examinations I have seen this question. So therefore, technical, as academic point of view, subject point of view, you have to study. Those who are studying only structural engineering, drop the question. Okay. See, if they want to give by words this question, two blocks, see, a block weighing 10 kilonewton is placed on an inclined plane which makes an angle of 60 degrees with horizontal. Then, another block weighing 4 kilonewton is placed above that one. See, common surface is there, 4 kilonewton. Then, the second block is connected to a support by a cable to prevent it from sliding down. Okay, then coefficient of friction between the two blocks is 0.35 and coefficient of friction between the first block which is resting on the inclined plane is 0.4. Find the least value of P required to prevent the block B from sliding down. Okay, as it is, see, if you remove this P, this will slide down. Otherwise, suppose you remove this P, still if it is not sliding down, if it is stable, see, if the angle is very small, then your P will come negative. That's all. That I told you. So, person who set the question, he should know that much. Without P, will it slide down or not? I can make out it will slide down. Okay. Now, first remember question 75, once again important. When you consider the relative friction between these two, see, at this contact point, friction for A and friction for B, for a clarification, question 75. I should not explain more and more. I took nearly half an hour. I told technical reason with full concept. I told practical example. Then I told a crude method also. If you don't study properly and tell, sir, not clear, it is your problem, not my problem. It is your problem. Okay, start. Let T be tension in the cable. It is better always, see, show the tension. See, show the tension here. In the question not given, you are marking tension, see. Now, first consider equilibrium of block A. Why block A? I will not tell. Suppose somebody will ask, sir, why you took block A first? I will tell, you leave my class, study somewhere else. I told it hundreds of times which block to consider first. After telling so many times, if till you get doubt, only reason is that you are not following everything. You randomly come as an entertainment video. See how this person is today, or what shirt he is wearing today. Okay, then other things you are observing. No, I don't require such people. So, first consider block A. See here, weight acting down 4 kilonewton. Tension T as usual. Okay, then see, what is this one? We need something else. Now, block A is resting on block B. Let this all I told in the question 75. I should not tell anything. Let RAB be normal reaction on block A from block B. Normal reaction for block A. First suffix is on what? Second suffix is from where? See, why there is no suffix here? Because here, second is a surface. There is no, see, here, this plane, only one block is there. You don't require suffix. Here, two blocks are there. So, normal reaction on block A from block B. Then, see, if the P is not there, block B will slide down. When block B slides down, it will rub the block here like this. So, friction is like this. Or, I told easy method for you. See here, when block, this I should not tell once again. When block B is sliding down this way, it will rub this one like this. That is the friction for this. Or, if relatively, see, when block B moves down, block A looks like moving up. So, if it is moving up, friction is down. Very crystal clear. So many examples. Question number 75 I told, study and come back. Okay. FF limit for AB 0.35 times RAB tension T. Sigma Fy0 RAB, this is XX. This I won't waste time now. RAB minus 4 sin 30 0. RAB will come plus 2. Sigma fx 0, right side positive. Plus T minus 0.35 RAB minus 4 cos 30 equal to 0. You get tension T over. Actually, tension is not required. It is only for answer. Okay, now consider equilibrium of block B. Start. Weight acting down, how much? 10 kilonewton. 60 means 30 degrees. See, cos, sin, you know it. Then, see, block B is resting on the surface. So let R be the normal reaction. You should write it here. See, for this you have write what I dictated here. Normal reaction for A from B, frictional force for A from B, you have write it. So R is a normal reaction. Okay. And block B is sliding down. Its tendency is to slide down. Friction is up. FF limit is 0.4 R. Suffix not required. But this contact point, be careful. See. Again I told class 75. For this block, from block B, this wave reaction. Reverse it. For block B from block A, whatever is this reaction is this way. Force transfer to B from A equal to reaction on A from B equal to whatever you got, 2 kilonewton. Then this is frictional force for AB. Friction for A from B. This is friction for B from A is exactly, if it is this way, this is like this. See. So this is coming down. See, this is coming down. If it is, when it comes this way, if this is a reaction from that one, for this one, see, it should cancel each other. If it is this way, it is opposite here. FF limit for B from A is FF limit from A to B equal to 0.35 RAB. RAB is 2 kilonewton. See here only. Substitute 0.7 kilonewton. Okay. That's all. Sigma Fy0 plus R. See, plus R minus 2, see, directly along YY, minus 2 minus 10 sin 30 equal to 0, your R will come 7 kilonewton. Sigma Fx0 plus P plus 0.4 R plus 0.7 kilonewton minus 10 cos 30 equal to 0, you get the value of P as 5.160 kilonewton. Okay, this question over. Now, I will go to last question of the series here, question 80. Actually, I will tell you, question 80 is, I will tell that one, is an examination question asked in UPSC I have seen, and also some 2-3 engineering question papers. I will fully write and solve. Little, it has got a little concept or trigonometry required. Okay, no problem. Easy only. Now, see, this question is a university question. I remember long back when I was taking engineering mechanics class for first semester, as I wrote the question, someone told me in the classroom, "Sir, this is in a textbook." I told them, it can be in the textbook. Even textbook people also will see question paper and set it. So many, almost 80-90% people in textbooks, what they do, they write in the bracket, asked for Bangalore University, Mysore University, then what, Bombay University, they will write there. So I have not seen the textbook. First of all, to be frank with you, I never see textbooks. I don't want it. So, but it can't be same numerical. If it is same 8kn, 6kn, 0.3, 0.4, etc., then somebody will have doubt. Oh, maybe this person is referring a textbook and solving. No, I set randomly. In the class I will tell, okay, tell me if you want different values, tell me. For me, no problem. So, see, this arrangement, this is a cable. See, correctly, this is a cable, very important. This is a cable. In the question only given cable. Okay. Now, if you want the question in by words, I will tell you. See, an inclined plane is, a block weighing 1 and 2 we will write. There is a block weighing 8 kilonewton placed on an inclined plane. Above that one, another block of weight 6 kilonewton is placed, which is connected to a cable, which is connected by a cable to a support. Then friction coefficient between the two blocks is 0.3 and between the first block and the inclined plane is 0.4. Usually they will give same mu. They will tell for all contact surface, they will tell 0.3. Then what? Here also 0.3, here also 0.3 they give. Now question is, find the value of theta when block 2 is on the verge of slipping down. Same as last time. Last time it is prevented. No. Now you have to find. Or 1 minute. You see what happens now. See. Think common sense. If the angle is very small, it will be stable. See here. It will be stable. I show it here. See. This way. You connect by a cable, does not matter. But as you increase the angle, see, one particular angle, here cable is there, see, block P slips down or slides down. That angle they want. So here theta is the unknown. Or in the question I told this angle theta. So question is what? Find the, or they will ask you what is the angle of inclination of the plane when slipping or sliding down of the block B will take place. Or they will ask one more thing. What is the maximum angle theta up to which block B, block 2, first block, will not slide down? See, for example, see, suppose it's on the verge of slipping when theta is 30 degrees. See here. No? If it's 20 degrees, no problem. So maximum possible angle is, see, 30 degrees. If you exceed 30, it will slip. So finally, if they ask what is the maximum angle or up to what angle it will, what is the maximum angle up to which it will not slip, or up to what value of theta it will not slip, all finally means find what value of theta it is on the verge of slipping down. So finally write a note here. Therefore, you write all the statements here, then write. So finally, you have to find the value of theta when block B2 is on the verge of slipping down. Okay, slipping down now. Okay, over. This much statement I wrote. Now I will do one thing. I want more space. Therefore, I will remove all this question. I will remove now. See, I am removing now. Start. First, usual statement. Some space required. See, start here. First, okay, 1 minute now. I just judged in the board up to where I can write. Okay, now, see, start. First solution. I start from here. Let, as usual, let T be tension in the cable. This every question you have to write. Okay, show it now. See, here show it now. Actually, not required. You know, tension means we'll pull the block one upper side. Okay. Then write here first. After this statement, see here, see correctly, space problem, consider equilibrium of block 1. Why block 1? I will not tell. I decided now. If it is not clear, I told you, not fit to study from me. Hundreds of times told. Okay, block 1. See here. First put a sketch of block 1. Theta is not known. Be careful now. See, we don't know what is the angle theta. Show some angle. Okay, this is the way. See, be very careful. Your unknown is theta here. See, this theta is the unknown. Okay, now block 1 is like this. See. Oh, sorry, the inclined plane comes later. Okay, first side block 1. Block 1 is like this. We don't know what is the angle, but still remember, if you project this line, see here, it is a parallel line here. So finally, if you project this line, if this is theta, see, this also theta only, see, This also theta only. It is, see here, if I project this line here, this also theta means theta. Okay. Now, weight acting down. How much weight? Weight is acting down. I will solve in front of you. 6 kilonewton. 6 kilonewton. Then, very important now, see 6 kilonewton. You should write, let R12 be, this I told hundreds of times now, I should not explain, normal reaction for block 1, this is your block 1, normal reaction for block 1 from block 2, normal reaction for block 1 from block 2 R. Okay, now, next, continuous line. And let what? FF, see, it is sliding down. FF limit be frictional force for block 1 from block 2. FF limit 1, 2, okay. FF limit 1, 2. Frictional force for block 1 from block 2. Why this way? See, again I am wasting time. Question number 75 will make everything clear. I should not explain. Lastly, I will tell you. Okay, this is a real last time. This block is sliding down. See, when it slides down, this surface, it will rub this way. That is the rubbing friction. Or when block 2 is sliding down, relatively, see, block 1 looks like going up. Crude method looks like going up. Therefore, friction is down. And I told so many times, I told unless you make, there I given basic concept, practical example, crude method, everything told. People who do not understand, no, not fit. Okay, equal to how much answer? That answer equal to friction coefficient here is 0.3 into this normal reaction, RF, normal reaction is R12. Okay. Then, now very important, see, little concept is there. This is XX. This is your YY. Now, very important, see, this is YY. We want, see, this force is directly along XX. This force, tension required, tension T. See, this force is directly along XX. T also is parallel to XX. R12 is directly along YY. For this one, you need the angle with the XX, thousands of times told, not this angle theta. Now be careful. If this is where important will come. If this is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Therefore, when you resolve this one component like this, one component like this, this is cos, this is sine, this is cos, this is sine of 90 minus theta. Angle made with the XX. I told so many times. Okay, start. This much statement sufficient now, solve. Space is, okay, I'll start from here. Sigma Fy0 take upward positive. Last I'll give you an interesting question for you. Okay, Fy positive, what do you get? Color required, okay. Plus R12, see, plus R12, this is not there, this is not there. Then minus 6 into sine of 90 minus theta equal to 0. Or R12 minus 6 of, you should know that, oh, something happened there, 1 minute. Nothing happened there. The charger connected to the mobile got slipped. So stand was vibrating. So that's why suddenly I went there, check it. Fortunately, camera focusing is still intact, no problem. Okay. Minus 60. Now 6 into, you should know, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. That much common sense required, 0. Therefore, what you get, see, therefore, your R12 equal to 6 into cos theta. 6 into cos theta is R12 plus 6 into cos theta. See, be careful. Okay, now sigma fx0. This is not important. Sigma fx, red color. Sigma fx0, right side positive. Okay. Start. Plus t minus 0.3 R12, 0.3 R12, then see, plus t minus 0.3 R12 minus 6 cos of 90 minus theta equal to 0. This I am solving only if they ask you what is tension. See here. Therefore, I do one thing, space problem is there. Okay, right here. Therefore, don't see this side now. Therefore, we get plus t minus 0.3 into R12, substitute for R12. R12 is how much? 6 cos theta. 0.3 into 6 cos theta minus 6 into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta equal to 0. Cos 90 minus sin theta. Therefore, your t will be, see, t will be 6 into 0.3, 1.8 into cos theta plus 6 into sin theta. This t you cannot get now. Suppose in the question paper they asked you at that time, you make a note here. See, make a note. This t you don't require now. Why? When you go to block 2, the t will not come. It is extra answer, but it is required. Stability is required. Now, make a note here. T we did not get. It came in terms of theta. By chance in the question paper they ask you, find the least value of p, find at what value of angle theta it is on the verge of sliding, and at that time what is the tension in the cable, means once you get the value of theta, final answer that you will get after considering block 2. Once you finish block 2 and get theta, that theta you substitute here and get the value of t. Make a note. So time being, you want only R12. Okay. Now, important part, second part. Okay. This I'll remove now. This I'll remove. Not required. Okay. Now, with the big sketch I write. Use, first of all, see, consider equilibrium of block 2. Some people will tell, sir, what is EQ? You cannot hear what I am telling? Do you think I right every time? Sometimes I am harsh only. My age and my effort, if you understand that one, nobody will ask. What I am doing now is much more. Show me a place where engineering mechanics, so much coverage is given. Show me a place, either in YouTube or anywhere or in colleges all. You know what is the allotted time for engineering mechanics? 30 hours. Some units, 30 hours allotment. In 30 hours, teacher has to complete everything. I don't know what they will complete. Okay. Block 2. Now, see, very careful. When you consider block 2, see, this is the inclined plane. This angle is theta. See, unknown theta. This is your unknown theta. Then block 2 you are considering. See here. This is your block 2. Weight of block is acting down. How much? 8 kilonewton. 8 kilonewton. Then, see, once again I will tell you, this is your XX. Normal reaction required, sliding down. So, normal reaction R. You write here, let R be normal reaction for the block 2 from this surface. Suffix not required. Since the block 2 is on the verge of sliding down, friction here is this way. How much it is? FF limit. See, FF limit for this contact surface is 0.4 times this R. This is usual, your usual answer. Okay, this is known for you. Okay, now this is your YY, I'll mark here. This is your YY. I am going to rub this sketch now. Okay, now, further. Now, most important. When you consider block 2, see, block 1, R12 is the normal reaction. See, R12 like this. Reaction for block 1 from block 2, R12, its reverse is what? It's actually, it will act actually slightly this side. Okay, no problem. Okay. I will put the YY root later. Okay, make collinear, nothing to worry. See, this is R21. Force on block 2 from block 1, R21 equal to R12. Hundreds of times told, line is not required. R12 equal to, you know the answer. Where is it? 6 cos theta. 6 cos theta. And friction force 1 from 2 is 0.3 R12 like this. If it is this way, this friction is opposite. See, this is FF limit for 2 from 1. FF limit to 1 equal to FF limit for 1 for 2 equal to, it is already there, 0.3 R12. 0.3 R12 equal to 0.3 into R12 is 6 cos theta. I just check the camera, 6 cos theta. Now, this is your XX. Okay, this is your YY. Okay, YY. 1 minute. I'll just check the camera. Have I gone beyond the limit? No. Everything is okay. All are clearly visible. Now I can solve. 1 minute. Correct answer? R21, R12. F21, F12. 0.3 R12, 0.3 R12, R12 equal to 6 cos theta. Okay, done. Okay. Now, see here. If this angle is theta, we want the angle with the XX. This is 90 minus theta. So, one component like this, one component like this. This is sine, this is cos with respect to 90 minus theta. Okay, now this space I am removing. I will remove that space. See, I will remove this one now because I want space now to solve. Everything correct answer? R12 is 6 cos theta. 6 cos theta, correct? R12 6 cos theta. 0.3 into 6 cos theta. Correct. 0.4 R. Everything is okay. Okay, okay. Don't want to take chances. Full board I want so that cleanly I can solve. Even I am feeling little tired today because I have taken a long class earlier in the evening. Now it is midnight, 2 o'clock. See, because I do not want to leave the stop in between gaps unless there is a problem. Okay, start. Sigma, now black color I will write, no red color. Sigma Fy0, take upward positive. See here. Plus R, I will put red color. Plus R minus 6 cos theta. See, plus R minus 6 cos theta, then minus 8 sine See, this is directly 6 cos theta. 8 sine of 90 minus theta equal to 0. See here. Plus r minus 6 cos theta directly along yy. This component minus 8 sine 90 minus theta 0, or plus r minus 6 cos theta minus 8 into sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, 8 cos theta equal to 0. Your r will come 14 times, r will come 14 cos theta plus 14 cos theta. That is the r. Okay, now sigma fx0, take right side positive. Right side positive. Start. Here, see. This is not there. This is not there. Plus 0.4 r plus 0.4 times r, then plus 0.3 into 6 cos theta plus 0.3 into 6 cos theta. See here, plus 0.4 r plus 0.3 into 6 cos theta minus 8 cos, this one, 8 cos 90 minus theta equal to 0. Or substitute r equal to 14 cos theta. 14 cos theta. You get 0.4 into 14 cos theta plus 0.3 into 6 cos theta, then minus 8 into sin theta, y cos 90 minus sin theta equal to 0, or you get 0.4 into 14. Where is it? 0.4 into 14 plus 0.3 into 6 is 7.4 cos theta minus 8 sin theta equal to 0, or 7.4 cos theta equal to 8 sin theta, or sin theta divided by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta equal to 7.4 divided by 8, but equal to tan theta. You know it, tan theta. Therefore, you get the value of your unknown theta. Your unknown theta will come. 7.4 divided by 8 equal to, shift tan inverse, answer 42.7688 degrees. 7688 2539 degrees. 2539 degrees. This is the answer. Okay. Now, correct answer 7.4, 0.4 into 14 plus 0.3 into 6 is 7.4 equal to 8 sin theta. So, sin theta, everything is correct, equal to 8 sin theta. Yes, correct. Divide by 8, shift tan inverse, answer 42.768825. So, at this angle, the block B is on the verge of moving. Now, I will do one thing now for you. See, this answer, if anything is wrong, correct it. Okay, now, I will give an exercise question for you. 1 minute, I write the question first. No, I will do one thing. Question number 81. It is a full exercise here. I will put here. Exercise question 81. Remove the tension. You have to write it. See, it's a cable. Same data, 6 kilonewton, 8 kilonewton. Theta I will give you. I will give theta 42 point. I will do one thing. This is actually for fun. You solve it. 42.7688 degrees, 769 degrees. Okay. 7688 degrees I will give. You do one thing. Take this much accuracy. Theta. Question is or question 81 is same as question 79. Question is find for what value of p or find the value of p which will just to prevent, see, just to prevent means what? On the verge of sliding, just to prevent the sliding down of block 2 is the question. Or you can write here, find for what value of p block 2 is on the verge of sliding down. In the offline class, I will ask the answer. Anybody can tell the answer? Yes, sir. How much? 0. Oh, very, very good. Your P will come 0. Because, reason? Sir, you are given the same angle when the block is on the verge of sliding. When it's on the verge of sliding, see, if you give an angle more than that one, then you require to prevent it. If you give less than that value, then P will come negative. Or you are given this, but I told there 42.76882539, but in this question I given 42.7688. Okay, sir, P will come very, very small value, 0.00. Oh, that means 0. Anyway, you solve it. You will get a very, very small value. Why? Because at 42.76882539 degrees, it's on the verge of sliding, but this angle is slightly 0.0002 degrees lesser, means it will not slide. So force P is not required. A small negative value will come. A very, very small. Suppose I give 42.8877 degrees, a small positive value will come. So this is a check for you now. What you do is, you solve this question not by C, don't take theta unknown. Solve this question in the same way as question 79. See there, this angle, what was the angle? 60 degrees. Instead of 60, 42.7688. This is to check what we have done is correct or not. So if you get P, very, 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 very small value, 0.00 something, with negative sign will come, or okay, almost 0, because it is, the system is already not sliding down. It's on the verge of sliding down. See, when it slides down, then you require to prevent it. Now no sliding down. Okay, solve the question, check for you. So question 81 is actually question 79, where I have given 60 degree there, I changed to 42.7688 degrees because I wrote this answer. But anyway, for you, no one should ask, sir, how you got that angle? It is none of your work. I told this angle. Sir, why such a decimal? My choice. See, sometime bank balance will come. Your balance in your account is somebody's 15,36,434 rupees and 17 paisa. It will come. Go to bank and ask, I want to withdraw that 17 paisa. He will tell, sir, paisa is not considered. It is not there. But you wrote, sir, it is a theoretical. Sir, if you 17 paisa, suppose you get another 83 paisa credit, it will become 1 rupee, sir. That way, Indian government has decided, don't remove paisa, round off. In the practically outside, roadside, all paisa removed. But in the bank account, all paisa is still maintained. They show that paisa. Why? See, 50 paisa or 20 paisa 5 times if it comes, it will become 1 rupee. That's why they are maintaining it. Okay, that is not our problem. So solve the question and answer. Okay, over now. Next class, I will go for wedge friction. Very, very important from subject point of view, especially examination point of view. Very, very important. That is wedge friction. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I should tell from here. Thank you. We will meet next time. I told thank you, we will meet next time. Hope you will come next time also. That also equally important. Some will tell, okay, sir, thank you, but they won't come. So you should come and participate.